So how you can earn an extra $7,000 per month working 1 hour a day. Hi, my name is Boaz Femson. I'm professional locksmith with more than 28 years experience. I'm chairman of the International Locksmith Association. I created an online locksmith course that will guide you step by step how to be a professional locksmith. The course consists hundreds of videos and documents that will download to your computer that will show you all the professional secrets how to be a professional locksmith. For people that need to change a lock, open doors, unlock cars, to make rekey for cars and safe, to change code in safe, how to install new locks in doors, cars and safes, how to replace broken locks. The full course is 75 lessons, but after 20 lessons you can start earn money and working, because we will give you a certificate Assistant Locksmith and you can start change locks and fix doors. At the end of the course you will get a professional locksmith certificate that will allow you working in many countries in the world. Click the link and register now, and I will send you immediately 4 free lessons how to be a professional locksmith. Click the link now and you will see that it's so easy to be with us and to work as a professional locksmith.